To replace the battery in this watch today, I'm going to be using the JOREST watch battery replacement kit. That includes this watch holder, this watch back cover case opener, these tweezers, this film, and this spring bar tool. First, let's take our spring bar tool, and we'll see that it has two different ends on it right here. One of them has kind of a U shape on it. Let's avoid that one, and find the one that looks more like a straight rod. Now we're gonna take our watch, and we're gonna make sure that it's open like this, and we're gonna come down to this hinge right here. And with your spring bar tool, we're gonna come over to the hinge point right there, and we're going to push down on that piece right there until it releases the bar on the inside so we can unrelease our watch here. So let's do that. Now our watch should be open, and you can see on the underside of the watch that there's a little arrow right here. So it's actually telling you which direction to push this pin on the inside to get that to release. And you'll also see that this little pin right here is oriented a certain way. You'll see there's no notch on this side, and there's a notch on this side, and you can see that that notch is going in the same orientation that that little arrow was going right there. So when I eventually put this back in here, I'm gonna make sure that it goes in the same direction. Okay, now we want to take our watch holder, and we're going to set our watch down inside of it like this. You can see that my little time setting knob is inside of this thing over here. Or you could do it the other way. And then we're going to tighten this up with this piece here, and that should be holding that watch nice and steady without it falling out. Once we have our watch like this, then we're gonna come to this piece right here, and we can separate these two black pieces right here using this wheel here, and we're gonna wanna get them to the same distance, these little bits right here, between these notches on the back right here. So if you wanna put one in right here, it should be the same distance going to this one over here, so we can lock those in place. So for example, right now, if this one on the left goes right there, you can see the other one on the right is too far. So let's get that closer together. Once we have that the right distance as well, then we can take one of these bits of paper like this and set it over top of the back of our watch. This just helps prevent us from scratching the back of it with these pieces. But then we'll connect these pieces like this, and then by hanging onto the watch holder, we can turn left to actually get that back off of our watch. And there you can see it came all the way off just by pulling. Now we can grab our tweezers, and we're gonna remove the watch battery. So the actual watch battery is right down here. First we remove this backing, and now we can go for the battery. And now we can replace that with the new battery. We can reinsert our plastic piece here. We can replace the backing, cover it up again with that paper, and then we tighten that back up. You see the time is ticking there. Let's put the wristband back together. So we're gonna take our little bar right here and find this little notched piece at the end down here. And we're gonna put that in the same direction as that arrow right there. So going into here like this. And with that arrow pointing this way, it's gonna go down like this. And we're going to connect it like that in the back. You can see I'm kind of connecting it just real simply like this. Now I'm going to come over to this piece right here and push down on it right here to get it underneath this lip over here so I can get it in there. And it should click back together eventually. So there you go, that's how you use this kit right here to replace the watch battery.